So we'll go again with the 45 long Colt Henry Big Boy at 12 and a half yards. It's 40 feet actually, so I'm back a couple feet. So we have 4 new playing cards in the targets. So let's see what we can do. Time to reload. Okay, going again. Upper right target.
Chị có cậu luôn nè. Chị mua tương ra đó. Vì có hát xong. Mà mắt chỉ là tiếng được chứ.
Well, so we got 2 cards shot out. Anyway, that gives you an idea what the Henry Big Boy can do offhand at 40 feet. So we'll be going back to 25 yards in a little while. Okay, so now we're using the Henry Big Boy 45 long Colt at 50 yards offhand. And we're shooting the 255 grain round flat point cast bullet with 8 grains of unique.
You can either go parallel, shoot feet forward, okay? Aim down and aim down. Go ahead.
Smart, you know.
Very good.
Oh.
Just up, flat. Just stick your tongue. So there's 2 ways. You can go straight forward like this. Okay? And Janelle likes to put the left foot in front. It's whatever. Okay.
It's interesting how sometimes the way the light is hitting the causes a little bit of dispersion left or right. And I'm not going to make a change in the sights because, as I recall, this thing was right on at 50 yards. And we're just warming up anyway.